You have 4 ladies go one party, buffet style party. And the first lady, she make a beeline straight for the food because she come with her wanga got hungry. The other 3 ladies go sit down and start talk about them son. First lady say, my son had a wonderful year last year. Make so much money and buy a Mercedes Benz for his best friend. The next lady said, me too. My son make a whole heap of money last year. Buy a Porsche for his best friend. Third lady, what a coincidence. My son make a whole heap of money last year too, you know. Him building a house up at Beverly Hills right now for his best friend. So the lady will go get the food. She come back and say, what no they are talking about? The lady say, you know we're talking about our sons, how they had such a wonderful year last year, make so much money. How about your son? What him do? The lady say, my son is a blood clot Batman. Work at one Batman bar. The lady say, oh my God, we're so sorry to hear that. The lady said, no feel sorry for him at all. Him have 3 friends. One buy him a Mercedes Benz, one buy him a Porsche, and one a build a house up a Beverly Hills for him right now. No feel sorry for him at all.